Welcome to our studio. Today, I'll walk you through how this intricate collector's figurine is made. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
We're revolutionizing how we use raw materials like silicone to create incredible products like this one, right here in our state-of-the-art facility.
The plastic is heated to 200 degrees for the perfect cast.
The cooling rate on these molds is exceeding projections by 15%.
That aligns with the thermodynamics data I'm seeing on the tablet.
Each piece is cleaned by hand to ensure a smooth surface for painting.
Every collector's piece is inspected 3
And that's how the Princess Cat figurine is made. Cuttertage, from a digital design to your shelf.